We're taking this Mondo antenna down. It looks like it's made to contact outer space. It was in that hole in the roof right there. And I should have waited for Charlie, because when it came down with a crash and bent that. I thought maybe somebody's low tech enough to buy it in this day and age. We're moving the car that's down below about 30 feet. And the plan is, I want to hold it by this coaxial cable, hand it to Charlie, who will be on that first mezzanine. He'll grab it and very gently hand it down to the driveway / let go and let it fall and smash. But it's kind of an eyesore, and hey, we got internet, folks, so we don't need to contact outer space anymore. Cleaned out this gutter while I was up here. It's full of a layer of dirt, but surprisingly it's cleanest near that drain, so I guess that drain was functioning. I have no idea if it's sloped right or not, but I tightened that wire holding it at the end just to give it a little bit extra slope just in case. Here's all the dirt that came out of that one gutter, and I'm assuming this is just like moss that's died or been killed and broken down, but that's full on soil. It looks like good soil too. How it got up there, I'm only guessing. I forgot to film the patching the hole in the tile, but that's okay. I'll get a new tile and I'll film replacing it the right way instead of showing the whole internet how to do it the wrong way. All right, this is my first adventure in Italian terracotta roofing. But check this out. This is the hole where the antenna was. And you can see I just slid that out from where it was interlocked. Right there, you can see concrete. They poured concrete on a roof. That's so heavy. These old houses, man, they're like amazing. But anyway, there's no fastener. There's no nothing. You literally just slip it out. So if one cracks, you slip it out and put a new one in, and that's it. So I'm just replacing this one so that there won't be a leak where that antenna came out. But there is a leak up on the other side of the peak there, where the office is. So I'm hoping when I go up there, what I'm gonna find is just a cracked tile or one that's slid out, a place, and I can just slide it back. But for one, it's like 90 degrees up here right now. And for two, I need to rig up a safety harness to tie to that chimney before I go down the other slope, just because it's a death-defying fall if things go badly. If these tiles slip out from under you or something. All right, well, slight setback. I sent Charlie down to look for another tile. I could have swore we had some of these roof tiles in the basement, but there aren't any. So I asked him to get me some stucco, and I'm just gonna stucco this hole shut for now. And hopefully that'll hold. I'll go down and get some actual roof tile. We're gonna need them anyway. But for now, since I'm already up on the roof and I've got a helper to go for stuff, we're gonna go that route. Okay, while I'm waiting for Charlie to mix up some cement, found these. Looks like they're make your own chimney pieces, and they were under this eave right here, protected. That's why they're not damaged, but they look like they've been used. And then I noticed this is the chimney coming out of the upstairs dining room. Only has one, and I wonder if that wood thing is actually blocking it off so it doesn't leak or something. I should look at that. Maybe that's why they said that fireplace doesn't work. But I was looking at this one, and you see this is the stove that she used for wood cooking in when we bought the house, in the kitchen. And you can see it's got those things stacked, but then it's got like a cap on top, I guess, so rain doesn't get in. So I'm guessing that cap is gone or missing, and so they put that wood down to stop the leak, which is not the right way to do it. So I'm gonna go see, I'm gonna climb up on that roof, see what I see. Yep, sure enough, my suspicions were correct. That's a cap that they put, I guess because it was leaking. It just needs another cap like that one, and that fireplace will work. So it's an interesting way to fix a problem, but I'll go see if I can find some more like that. I'd say it's, what, like a foot wide? Hopefully there's not too many different sizes. All right, let's stack these on there and call it good for now. Okay, easy peasy, all done. It's just need a capstone.